someone is facing problem to install this kind of indicator, these are sequential, and then I had the same kind of problem. So I purchased this DC12V Can FM Flasher, and then it didn't work as a plug and play. So what I had to do, I had to change the connector of those two connection. Like if you see the black and white, previously it was not like that. One of these was put under the middle one, and then it didn't work. So this is KTM 390 RC, and I'm using this thing in Japan. And then my flasher and then aftermarket sequential indicator was not working. So I did like this debug, and then now it's fixed. So it's a very cheap, pretty cheap on Amazon. You can get these only for $5, and it is working as expected. I don't see any kind of problem. It's working for the both side. Yeah, so I kind of difficult to understand, and I had to kind of invest a lot of time. The left one is still the old one, so again